Hello, in front of me I've got Jabra Connect 5T. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. In the beginning, make sure that your earbuds are connected with Jabra Sound Plus app. And now go to Settings. Enter Personalize your headset, Mic Controls, and select Music and Media. Now you can select gesture and function for this gesture. For example, right earbud controls, single press, play pause, left earbud control, and then you can adjust it for incoming calls and active calls. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.